السلام علیکم زموږ د نن ورځې ټاپک د شارټ سنټنسز په حواله باندې دی زموږ یوټیوب چینل در سره سبسکرایب کړئ لیټس ګیټ سټارټډ بی کیرفول احتیاط کوه بی کیرفول answer me ماته جواب راکړه answer me go straight سیده لاړ شه go straight listen to me زما خبره واوره listen to me What did you say? تاسو وویل What did you say? It's okay. is خبره نشته. It's okay. Go outside. د باندې لاړ شه. Go outside. Come in. دننه راشه. Come in. Don't abuse. ښکنځل مه کوه. Don't abuse. Time is up. وقت ختم شو. Time is up. Tell me truth. ماته رښتیا ووایه. Tell me truth. Don't tell a lie. دروغ مه وایه. Don't tell a lie. Wait outside. د باندې انتظار وکړه. Wait outside. Shut up. خوله دې بنده کړه. Shut up. Come here. دلته راشه. Come here. Let's go. درځه چې ځو. Let's go. Thank you. ستانه مننه. Thank you. Don't forget that. هغه مه هېروه. Don't forget that. See you next time. بیا به سره ووینو. See you next time. Look at there. هلته وګوره. Look at there. Excuse me. ما معاف کړه. Excuse me. Shame on you. شرم وکړه. Shame on you. Come with me. زما سره راشه. Come with me. Look outside. د باندې وګوره. Look outside. Be patient. صبر وکړه. Be patient. Say something. یو څه ووایه. Say something. Forgive him. دی معاف کړه. Forgive him. Goodbye. خدا حافظ. Goodbye. Be ready. چمتو اوسه. Be ready. Live long life. اوږد ژوند ولرې. Live long life. Never give up. همت مه بایله. Never give up. Keep it up. محنت جاری ساته. Keep it up.